If you're considering buying BuzzSumo for your social media management and analytics needs, there are 12 things you need to know before making that decision. While BuzzSumo is a powerful tool, it's essential to understand how it stacks up against competitors before you commit. Stick around to the end so you can make an informed decision. First, BuzzSumo offers excellent content discovery features. It's perfect for finding the most shared content across social platforms, helping you identify trends. This can be a huge asset for any marketing team, but keep in mind that competitors like SEMrush and Ahrefs also offer similar content research tools with additional keyword analysis features. Next thing, BuzzSumo's social listening feature lets you monitor mentions of your brand and competitors. This is crucial for tracking your brand's reputation and staying ahead of the competition. However, social listening is a tool many platforms like Hootsuite and Sprout Social offer too, so it's worth comparing how each one performs. The third thing to consider is BuzzSumo's backlink analysis tool. It can help you see which websites are linking to your content. While this is great for SEO, platforms like Moz and Ahrefs are still top contenders in this area, often providing more comprehensive backlink data. The fourth thing is the ease of use. BuzzSumo has a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy to dive straight into analytics and research. If you're looking for simplicity, BuzzSumo is user-friendly, but tools like Sprout Social and SEMrush offer a similar experience, with more extensive features at your fingertips. Next, let's talk about BuzzSumo's content research reports. These reports show you which topics are gaining traction, and it's a great way to inform your content strategy. However, similar tools like Content Studio provide more flexibility and integration options for teams using other software. The sixth thing is BuzzSumo's influencer search feature. It allows you to find influencers in your niche, which is great for expanding your reach. But influencer marketing platforms like Upfluence or Aspire IQ specialize in this area and could give you more in-depth influencer relationship management. The seventh thing is BuzzSumo's pricing. BuzzSumo's plans are competitive, but it's on the pricier side compared to some other social media management platforms. If you're on a budget, tools like SocialBee or Buffer may give you more bang for your buck, with more affordable options. The eighth thing is the content analysis feature. BuzzSumo allows you to dive deep into the performance of your content, tracking engagement, shares, and more. While that's great, competitors like HubSpot offer more advanced reporting capabilities tied into broader marketing tools, which may appeal to larger businesses. Next, BuzzSumo offers a robust competitor analysis feature. You can easily see how your content compares to competitors. While this is useful, platforms like SEMrush go a step further, offering detailed SEO audits and site performance metrics alongside their competitive analysis. The 10th thing is BuzzSumo's integration capabilities. It works with other tools like Slack, Google Analytics, and more. However, if you use a range of platforms, BuzzSumo's integration options may fall short compared to comprehensive solutions like Hootsuite, which connects to more than 35 social media networks. The 11th thing is BuzzSumo's customer support. It provides solid support, including live chat and email, but it's not as extensive as what you'll find with some competitors. Platforms like Sprout Social and AgroPulse offer more personalized and responsive customer service, which can be a deal breaker for larger teams. Finally, the last thing to note is BuzzSumo's focus on content marketing. If content marketing is your main priority, it's an excellent tool to consider. However, if you need a more holistic approach to social media management, platforms like Sprinkler or Social Pilot offer broader social media management solutions. In conclusion, BuzzSumo is a strong option for content marketing, but if you're looking for a more comprehensive social media management solution, check out our recommended tool. It's packed with even more features and offers a free trial, so you can give it a test run before committing.